How to fix Facebook error. This page isn't available right now on your Facebook account. Today guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First, you will just open settings of your phone, and now what you should do, you will go directly to apps or application. Then you will go and search for Facebook apps, and when you found that, you will open it. And what you can do right now, just you will go to storage, and on storage you will go to the last to the bottom of the screen and click on clear data. Then you will click OK, and now your problem will fixed. So I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.